Welcome to this algebra lesson on special products. Today, we are going to focus on the square of a difference, specifically the expression a minus b squared. This is a fundamental formula that will help you solve many algebraic equations faster and with fewer mistakes. So, what exactly does the square of a difference mean? Simply put, it means we are taking a binomial, which is an expression with two terms, subtracting one from the other, and then multiplying that result by itself. Mathematically, we write this as a minus b inside parentheses, raised to the power of 2. Let's look at this geometrically to understand why the formula works. Imagine a large square with a side length of a. If we want to find the area of a minus b squared, we can cut a length b from both sides. The remaining blue square represents our target area. The total area is a squared, but we have to subtract the red and yellow sections to find the blue area. Now, let's derive it using algebra. We can expand a minus b squared by multiplying a minus b by itself. Using the FOIL method, we multiply the first terms to get a squared. Then the outer terms give us minus a b, the inner terms also give us minus a b finally. The last terms, minus b times minus b, give us positive b squared. Combining the middle terms gives us the final formula. Here is the final formula you should memorize. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Notice the three parts: the square of the first term, minus twice the product of both terms, and finally, plus the square of the last term. Let's try a simple example. We want to expand x minus 3 squared. First, identify that it is x and b is 3. Following our formula, we square the x, subtract 2 times x times 3, and add 3 squared. Simplifying the multiplication in the middle and the square at the end gives us the final answer, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Let's try a slightly harder one involving a coefficient, 2y minus 5 squared. Here, our a term is 2y and our b term is 5. We substitute these into the formula carefully. Remember to square the entire 2y term, which gives us 4y squared. Then multiply 2 times 2y times 5 to get 20y. The result is 4y squared minus 20y plus 25. A very common mistake students make is simply distributing the square to both terms. They might write a squared minus b squared. This is incorrect. You must never forget the middle term, minus 2ab. That middle term represents the interaction between the two parts of the binomial. To wrap up, remember these 3 steps for squaring a difference. First, square the first term. Second, subtract twice the product of the two terms. And third, always add the square of the last term. Keep practicing this pattern and you will master it in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.